So guys, welcome again to my channel. So in this video I'm analyzing gold with you here. So let's go on gold and see what's happening on gold. So I have this charts on gold. I'm on a position right now on gold here. You can see I'm on a position on the sell, and before the sell I went on a buy. I went on a buy around this zone. So I bought gold around here. I saw some, a break of structure and change of character market shift here. So I saw it. I had to close out of this position. Then I went back on the sell. Right now, this is what's happening here. So I'm expecting gold to sell. Expectations doesn't move the market. As we all know, expectations doesn't move the market because we are bullish on gold. We are bullish. All we should seek now is more buy. So this is a 15-minute time frame. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame and let me show to you the points that we have here. So you can see this. I'll have these points on gold. This is the first point, this is the second point on the trend line, and in support with my Fibonacci retracement level. So this is another point. So all these points are buying to a new high. So this is a new high of this particular move, which you can see. So if we can get a buy right now, we are going on a new high. We are going to a new high. So we are waiting for it to break to a new high after we get in on this. Okay, so let's go back to the lower time frame and let's check what we have here. So back to the lower time frame. This is the lower time frame. That's the 15-minute time frame, which will be getting our entry. We'll be getting our entry on the 15-minute time frame. So this 15-minute time frame, this is what I can see on the 15-minute time frame before I want to go on the sell. So this particular zone, you can see this is a break of structure. So after this break of structure, there's a change of character here. So this change of character, if we can see, if we can maybe get a pullback from this zone, as you can see, we are already having the pullback. Maybe this zone is going to be our buy zone, or this zone might be something, might see something like this of this nature. Then we're going to buy from this zone. And if it doesn't see the price push down to this zone, all we're going to do, if it should break above this zone, this particular zone, then we can enter for a buy. So that's it if it doesn't come to this zone. But what I'm expecting is this zone, this particular zone, for the price of gold to retest on this particular zone here. So once we see the retest here, we can go on a buy from this zone, and we might see grab of liquidity. So intending, if you buy from here, so it might continue pushing up, and we might see a likely push down to take out this liquidity, so it can gain more momentum, that's more strength. Then we can finally get the new buy to the upside. So that's what I can see on gold right now. I'm expecting more buys on gold. So if we can get more buys on gold, it should be around here. And we can see this liquidity grab. Also, we have some liquidity grab. So before I can go on the buy, what I saw was a liquidity grab. This liquidity grab. So this is what happened. You can see what happened here. Going on a buy. It was going on a buy. So after tapping to this zone, you have to come back, grab all this liquidity. These people that buy here, these ones that buy around here, is going to sell to the upside. It's going to buy to the upside. So these people taking out, then we can see the main push. So we can see the same thing happen here. We might see the same thing. So we might see it sell to some zone around here. So then give us some entry, comes back to take out liquidity, the liquidity of those that bought to this zone and still holding. If you can take them out, then we'll get a nice push from that side to the upside. And if it doesn't, like we said, a break here and a retest here, then we'll still go on the buy. So we're waiting for any of it, and let's see how any of it will go, because I'm currently on this trade. And next week I'll be trading my live account with you, my small live accounts. I have a live account that's funded with some small capital, so I'll be trading it with you here from next week. So This is what I have on gold on the 15-minute time frame and on the 4-hour time frame I showed you already. So let's just wait for what might happen. And if it should happen the way we want, then we'll go in on a buy, because gold is more likely to go on a buy. So we can still get a buy from here. We can still get a sell from here to say. So we can still get a sell from here. Once it reaches this zone, we can get a sell now to take out this zone. And if we should take out this zone, so something again I just observed. So this is the liquidity that create a liquidity here to say. So if it should taps in back here and it comes to take out this zone, if it taps in here, I am buying. So if it taps in here, I am buying from that zone. I'm not waiting for it to drop here anymore. If it should go like this now and it taps in here, it breaks this zone more, that's fine, I'll be buying. So I'll not be waiting for it to drop to this zone anymore. So, and that's another thing. So you just have to watch out, so you know what you're doing. Just watch out, you know what you are doing. Anything you are doing, make sure you see a clear breakup structure and all of that, then you can decide to go on the position, and you can decide to open the position you want. So let's see how it goes. And this is all I have to say in this video. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thanks for staying. And I'm buying gold. That's what I'm here to say. I'm buying gold. So let's see how it goes on a buy. Then if we should get a buy, that will be fine enough. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Take care and peace for now.